Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Today we have a 1969 Dart GT 340 4-barrel. This is a 4-speed car as well, and this is presented in blue. I'm not certain, but I think this is B5 blue, which is just a beautiful color. This car has been restored probably in the last 2 years, and it's got a few things that need to be addressed, but overall very well done. You can see the inside of the trunk here. Looks beautiful. The paint is just nice on this car. Here's your inside of your trunk here. It's painted inside as Mopars were. Just show you around here. I'll get to that. Nice and solid, no holes. We have a American Racing Torq Thrust 2 with a BF Gooderich radial spare tire, so it matches the set. We have paperwork here, so we have the warranty booklet. This proves inside here that this was a local Brantford car originally by a lady bought in 1969. Very cool. We also have the original owner's manual, and we also have the rest of the documentation. This is a folder full of the restoration process of this car. So as you can see, it costs a lot of money to restore a car. One other cool thing I want to show you is the actual build sheet. How cool is that? This tells you how exactly this car came. So that all comes with the vehicle. Okay, let's go ahead and shut the trunk here and just show you just a nice paintwork. The gap seals look great on this car. I don't think it has many miles since it's been restored. As you can see, the trim is in great shape. I believe this was all replaced during restoration. Very nice. The bezels, the trunk lid, the bumpers were replaced. It's got the TTI exhaust system with the correct Mopar tips. So if you look, if you can zoom in there, TTI. Mopar guys know what the TTI is. Cat's cradle for the Mopar cars. Okay, for the wheels we have Torq Thrust 2's. They are 15s all the way around, 205, 60 are 15s, and they are all the same size on this car. We have rear drum brakes on this car, and then front discs. So I'll show you the front here. So you can see it has disc brakes on the front. They are the polished Torq Thrust 2's. And these wheels just make any muscle car look great. Okay, here's the door panel. So it's a Dart GT, like I said. It's got the white interior. It's a pearl white interior, and it's all new as well. I do see a little wear here. I believe that's original latch here, but window cranks, all that kind of stuff, a lot of that has been replaced. I'll show you the door jambs here, nice and clean. Here's your sill plate. That looks like it's in great shape as well. Door jambs here, just solid. We do have the replacement piece coming for this rubber grommet here. I'm going to show you underneath the doors as well. Nice and solid. Very nice. Okay, let's show you the back seat here. Upholstery is all brand new. Looks like the seat belt's new. They feel new. Look at the package tray, just beautiful. Headliner, it's nice and tight. I wouldn't call this one a mechanic's headliner. I would say that this was done by an interior guy or someone that knew what they're doing. Has a bench seat in the front with headrests. This color of white just looks great. We have the 4-speed shifter. It's a Hurst shifter, as you can. Let me zoom in here. There we go. All new carpet, black carpet. We do have some aftermarket speakers in the front here. I don't think they're hooked up yet. Here's the dash, painted nicely black. Trim's in great condition. New dash pad, there's no cracks. And then it's also painted in front there. Let's shut this door here. This is a hardtop model, so as you can see, the windows go down. There's no post here. The windows roll up. And trim is beautiful. New door handles you can see there. New mirrors. Trim is just great condition. All that costs a lot of money if you have to replace that. Okay, down here we have a 340 4-barrel. From the factory, these made 275 horsepower, rated by the factory. Looks like this one has an Edelbrock intake manifold and an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor. We do have the stock manifold too that will be coming with the car. We have an aluminum radiator. I'll show you over here. The brand is Cold Case. Makes the car run better. You can see the fender wells are painted as Mopars were back in the day. And we do have a Fender Tag. I'll just zoom in here so all you Mopar guys can decode that if you'd like. It's said to be this is the original engine in this car. I'm not certain how to verify that, but I'm sure there are numbers that will match that. This was a 4-speed car originally. So let's go ahead and close the hood here to show you all new chrome trim there. 340 4-barrel. Unique hood. Here's the front grille. Bumpers look like brand new. It's got modern headlights. Looks like the original grille. It's been painted. You can see it's not perfect here. This trim looks original. Looks like it's in great shape though. I would consider this car a nice driver. So it's not perfect. It's not a #1 car. You're not gonna, but that's the fun of this car. You can drive this car out and enjoy it, right? Here's your front wheel here. Again, I don't think there's many miles on this car, if any at all, since restoration. Car drives well. I haven't seen any leaks. Here's your door panel. Again, looks original, but the rest of the chrome and trim look great. Nice GT badge here. Show you the door jambs on this side. Nice and clean. Skid plate is nice and clean. Beautiful. Show you the under door panel here. So there's your side there. I don't know if you can see that well. I do see a mark here, just a skid mark. It looked like I got and some skids over here. That kind of just happened with these cars. All right, your dash on this side, nice and clean, brand new. Dash is all painted, nice and shiny. It's got a 3-spoke steering wheel here. Oh, very nice. Carpeted floor mats. Carpet looks like brand new. Here's your seat. Very nice. Okay, I'll go ahead and get in the car here. Closes nice. Okay, let's start it up for you. Starts nice and easy, shifts nice and easy. We got the e-brake on. Temperature gauge, fuel gauge works. Speedometer doesn't work right now. We're gonna take care of that. We're gonna send it out to get rebuilt. As for odometer, we have 67,630 miles, but that's true mileage to be unknown because we just don't know how many times it's been flipped over. Alternator works, as you can see. We have our heater over here, we have our radio, and here's your 4-speed shifter. It's got a nice rumble to it. You can see here. Alright, we got a nighttime mirror over here. Again, the headliner on this side as well is nice and tight. Just a nice, clean car. And this is what you do when you drive this car. You put one hand out the window. It's just that cruising car, you know? Okay, let's open up the door here. I'm gonna flick the lights on and get a couple revs for you guys. Sounds great. Nice little Mopar. This car doesn't weigh a lot. I think it weighs about 3,200 pounds, so power to weight ratio, this thing will move out nicely. Here's your headlights on. Again, those are modern headlights. They look great. condition on this side, great. I don't see any marks or flaws, really. Show you the roof here, nice and clean. It's just a clean car. Here's her rear window. I love the look of the darts. Just have that curved window that goes in and out. I do want to point out one thing I did see here. I seen a little mark here. Looks like there was some work done before it was painted there. Nothing terrible, but it is there. I just want to point that out. I do also want to mention all the glass in this car. Your gas cap here. All the glass in this car is Mopar Glass, so I seen the original symbols, except for on the windshield, so I'm sure that was replaced at one time. And then here's this thing idling. It just purrs. Sounds great. Well, there you have it, folks. This is a 1969 Dodge Dart 344 barrel with a 4-speed. It's presented in blue with Torq Thrust 2 polished rims. And this is here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.